Yeah, good morning. So this morning, what we plan on doing is we're going to do an SDR to punch tape out to a TD and then a retransmission locally. And the whole idea of this is we do a military radio collectors net up and down the East Coast and up and down the West Coast. Unfortunately, on the bands that we do it, they don't really, it's not really conducive for cross-country communication, especially with RTTY. So we're going to make an attempt, which I know will be successful because we've experimented with it before, to use an SDR in order to bring in Nick England K4NYW onto the West Coast Military Radio Collectors Group net. So the process is I'm going to use a SDR that is located in Georgia, and then I'm going to patch that in through a computer into my patch panel, which you can see here, and it is going to feed into a CV2460, which will punch on this reperf. And then as the punch tape comes out, it will go into this TD here, which is connected to another 2460, and that will retransmit back out here on the West Coast so Nick England can communicate back and forth. Now the way he's able to hear us is he is listening to an SDR on our side, KFS up in San Francisco, and he's got that patched into all his Navy equipment. If you haven't seen his website, I suggest you check it out. It's navy-radio.com or navy-tac-radio.com if you're military. So very extensive collection, spans some stuff as early as World War II, but most of his stuff is 60s, 70s, which is mainly what my equipment is too. So feel free to check it out. You can also see my stuff on my website, k6yic.com, and you're obviously watching this on YouTube, so of course there's more stuff for you to see there.